Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue in OBS Studio for both AMD and NVIDIA devices. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Windows graphics settings. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the Start button or the Windows icon. Once that's open, simply type graphics settings into the search bar and click on the result that appears. This will take you to the graphics performance preference settings, where you can control which GPU your applications use. Once you're in the graphics settings window, you'll see an option to browse for applications. Go ahead and click the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can manually select the OBS Studio application file from your computer. Now, navigate through your computer folders until you find the OBS Studio installer location. Once you've located it, select the OBS Studio executable file and click Add. This adds OBS Studio to your list of applications where you can customize its graphics performance settings. After adding OBS, you'll see it appear in the list of applications on the graphics settings page. Locate OBS Studio from that list and click on it to select it. Then, click the Options button that appears. This is where you'll be able to configure which graphics card OBS uses to capture and render your content. Here's the important part, and it depends on whether you're using an AMD or NVIDIA graphics card. If you're using an AMD graphics card, you'll want to click the circle beside Power Saving. This setting helps AMD users avoid the black screen issue by routing the capture through the correct graphics processor. However, if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, click the circle beside High Performance instead. NVIDIA cards handle OBS better when set to high performance mode, which prevents capture errors and black screens. Once you've selected the appropriate option for your graphics card, click the Save button to apply your changes. This ensures that OBS Studio will now use the correct GPU settings based on your hardware configuration. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS Studio to work properly with your graphics card, and the black screen issue should now be resolved. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.